Well, I'm still not getting any good sound out of the helmet mic. I think it's a problem with the camera now actually, and I'm not going to be able to afford to change that for a long time. So more voiceovers. The main aim for today's ride though was to check the new tyre, make sure everything's okay with that, see how it handles on gravel a bit, although I'm not the sort of person that pushes it too much. And it's such a beautiful day, had to go for a ride anyway. So here we go, just a short one. Cyclone Gabriel washed away the railway tracks north of Napier, so this bridge serves no purpose anymore. But I really hope they leave it as a sort of monument. You know, they might rebuild the railway tracks sometime. Chickens! Mountain chickens! I don't think I need a stop and wait for a train here. No, all good. Please ask the owners about access. So, yeah, I will just turn around. So because this road was rather short, I thought I'd head up the hill and check out the view up Waipunga Road. That's where I was down there somewhere before. See the bridge. And then sort of headed off down the valley that way. And do they really need to put so many corrugations in these roads? Okay, let's have a look and see if they've actually opened up where the slip was on Darky Spur Road. Oh well. So there we go, just a quick ride. The new Anakee Adventure tyre seems pretty good. Seems like it's balanced fairly well and providing enough grip for what I need to do on the gravel. So now I'll have to have a look and see if there's a bit of a better ride I can do before Christmas. Anyway, beautiful weather, so I'll leave you with a drone shot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.